Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to refund skins in Marvel Rivals 2025 using the best method available. Step 1. Launch your Marvel Rivals and sign into your account. Step 2. Go to the settings or account section and then click your purchase history. Step 3. Select the skin or item that you want to refund. Step 4. If the item is eligible for refund, you will see a Request Refund button and you will click that. Step 5. Choose your reason for the refund, such as accidental purchase or unwanted item. Step 6. Confirm the request and wait for the processing, which usually takes 24 to 72 hours. If in-game refund isn't available, visit the support page or contact them through this email and file a request. Always remember, the refund eligibility may depend on how long ago the item was purchased and whether it has been used. So if this video is helping you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.